The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Okay. Well, what we want to have done is to have it overturned over to your home. But you're living over there in what is your state again?
But I mean, if you have a package for me and this is a call from Bank of America, shouldn't you know where I'm living?
Well, please give me a moment while I check the system here, because it should be here. Okay? One moment. Is it Brooklyn, New York?
Yes.
Okay. Your address is 126 East 93 Road?
93rd, not 93.
Oh, 93rd.
Yeah.
Okay. What have happened is that we have sent you a notification letter for you to be aware of the price package that we have here for you, ma'am. But we didn't get any further information pertaining to this package. Just
Who directly is the package sent to, though? Because there's a bunch of us living here. So who directly is the package sent to?
Who's directly the package sent to?
Yeah.
Well, that is the problem, because we have a Crestline fix. Am I right?
A what?
Is it Crestline?
Crestline?
Flakes?
Crestline Slate?
Yeah.
No, that's not me.
Oh my God.
Yes, so not to a blood clot thief, because that's not even my address. Nobody no leave your name, so stop calling me blood clot number and I thought thief. I don't have an axe together when I call people for thief their money about package.
Let me know. Who am I speaking with?
You not speak to a raw soul because they have a wrong address, they have the wrong name. You recall a crow that blood clot background. You know no wicked and bad?
Oh, yeah, man.
How are you? You know wicked and bad in all the cockacrow, cuckoo. Like seriously, my youth, get your axe together, man.
Yeah, man. I know how you still like a yard.
Get your axe together, man. You don't have to know who me. Get your axe together, man. And if you stop TV people, them, you know.
Where?
And when you not TV people, them, you not give out none to the community down a yard, you know. And they just have splurge with the money, you know. And they little pretty them and run, one go to school or back to school time and you not do nothing, you know.
I tell you, man, a whole heap of people else, man, I treat you even know.
No, I'm not going to know because I'm not down there. So I'm not going to know. I'm not know who you. If you know if you give back to your community out there thieving money.
All I'm doing to left Jamaica.
My youth, me ain't in an argument. Just here, just take a number you off of your list now.
Viewers and subscribers, I hear the accent a while ago. You know, because me I listen to this audio still, no viewers and subscribers. Pan a real now, me I listen to the audio and me I say to myself, say, me I wonder if this thing is a real thing or not, you know. Because you know, so sometimes people do some things on social media, you know, for entertainment and them things there. So I wonder if a real thing. But however, this thing is out on social media where it says that, you know, scamming gone wrong, and you can actually see it where it comes by a voice note in certain ways. As I mean, if you look on the thing that I show you, it look like it's an actual voice note that somebody sends somebody else. That's what I'm saying to you. Yeah. And viewers and subscribers, for real, a while ago, I look into myself and say, this no need no further explanation, because we're here in the audio a while ago practically explain everything. Right? Somebody a try to scam somebody, but the person that try to scam turns out not to be the kind of person they expect. That's what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers. And you know, but still I wonder if it's real. But however, if it's something real, then we have to make sure we point it out that what you see or hear a while ago, I should say, it's just totally wrong. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah. Nobody is supposed to try to scam anybody out of their money. You know what I'm saying to you? I mean, How would you feel if somebody scam you out of your money? It not gonna feel good. Alright? And with that, more I say big up and respect to all working persons out there. Whether they be hard working or not, whether they be the kind of person who work easy or smart. From you working for your honest money, more I say big up and respect to you. So me I say yeah, because you know, you're not go to go try and hustle or thief or scam or whatsoever. You work for your money. I have to big up and respect persons who work for them honest money, them honest bread. Alright? Yeah. Well, viewers and subscribers, this is where I'm going to leave it. You don't know me dancehall skiller. They have to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I go on, and you can let me know what you think about what you have just heard in the audio a while ago. Alright? So, until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skiller. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?